Still opening YouTube in your browser every time? There's a faster way. Installing the YouTube app on Windows 11 gives you quicker access, smoother performance, and a cleaner viewing experience right from your desktop. In today's video, I'll show you how to install it in just a few clicks and why it's totally worth it if you are a regular YouTube user. Hey, what's up everyone, I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. Open up a web browser. For me, I use Google Chrome. You can use other browsers, but if you follow along the steps, it should be about the same. First, go to youtube.com. There are two ways to do this. The first way is at the end of the address bar, you can see this little computer with download icon. Hover over it and you can see a pop-up saying Install YouTube. Click on it and you can see the option to install it. The other way is to click on the three dots at the top corner of your Google Chrome browser. Find the option Save and Share. You can see the option Install YouTube, so go ahead to install. Then after, you can see the shortcut appearing on your desktop and you can click on it to get into YouTube quickly. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful videos like this. Until the next video, I'm Steph, take care and bye bye.